Okay guys, so I'm actually filming this like way after when I actually shot this video that you guys are about to watch. But the reason why I'm putting this at the front of the video is because I did want to give you guys updates about the Untied My Box logo collab tee. This is actually something that we announced in this video over here. It was a $2,000 Hype Beast mystery box. So that's where all of that drop stuff happened. It's a really dope design. It says Untied over here with that Hokusai wave in the background. And the really cool part about it is that if you guys did purchase this shirt or this shirt, not only do you guys get to support me and get one of the dopest shirts I've ever made, but you can also have a chance to get a free Jordan 1 Storm Blue. So that is actually ending tonight of when this video is posted. All of that information will be in the description below. What you guys do need to remember is that you do need to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on this video, and also don't forget to cop a shirt. You can cop this one, you can cop the natural, and that will both be 1 entry each. You can even cop up to like 50 or 100 shirts. It doesn't really matter. All of those are 1 entry each. So I do highly recommend you guys check it out. Once this shirt is gone, it won't be back up on my box logo ever again. So this is literally the last day you can ever have this shirt, and I really do love it. A lot of people have been asking how was the fit from that last video. It does actually fit true to size. It's not like those athletic tees that I have for my other merch. This is all printed by my box logo, so it's more of like a blend instead of like 100% cotton shirt. So that's all good. It is true to size, so I'm wearing a size large right now. For context, it does hang a little bit lower, but that's basically it, guys. The rest of this video is going to be a mail time, so stay tuned for all of that, and don't forget to enter down below. The description has all of the information you guys are going to need. The winner will be drawn randomly by my box logo, and at that point I will post something in the community tab letting you guys know who won, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, thank you guys for supporting and enjoy this video. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a mail time segment. This mail time, we have 3 packages here. This one is a pair of shoes. You guys have already actually seen this one if you keep track of like the mail time series. This one's number 2. And yeah, this one is a whole bunch of clothes that we picked up, so it should be a good mail time. There's a lot of diversity here, a lot of cool stuff. Item number 1, this one is actually from PacSun, which is weird because when you think of PacSun, you typically don't think of like hype clothing per se, but they actually had a collection that just dropped with Fear of God, so that's a pretty hype brand. So let's check out what we got. Oof, all of them are like nicely individually bagged too. I like this. Item number 1, this is from the Fear of God Essentials collection in collaboration with PacSun. I think this is the second drop that they did. They did one last year too, and the items that they had in that drop actually have a resale value, which was insane. It's just regular basic clothes. That's why they're called essentials. So for this one, it's literally just a cream shirt. You guys can check it out over here that says Essentials Fear of God, and that's pretty much it on the shirt, man. It's just literally a plain shirt, but the materials are very, very good. And if you guys know Fear of God is usually like very expensive, like high-end items. It's considered like a luxury brand just because like one of their jackets is like $900, their pants are like $600, so it's expensive. However, because this collaboration was with PacSun, the prices are a lot better, so that's why I copped this one. We also copped the same tee again in black. This is a very like heavy material, which is good too. That's how you know it's like good quality stuff. But again, essentials over here, Fear of God, and that's pretty much it on this shirt. And then for the last item that we copped, this one is actually a plain pair of shorts, and it says essentials over here, and that is it for branding. So you can't even tell that this is Fear of God unless you know what the essentials branding is. But because summer is like quickly approaching, I did feel like I needed to like overhaul my wardrobe. Even though Hawaii is like summer year round, we still get affected somewhat by seasonal changes, so it is a lot more hot in the summertime, which is why copping a pair of like essential shorts and more shirts is really, really good. So I think the collection is actually sold out now on PacSun. So as a tip for you guys in the future, just try to be aware if you guys want to try to cop these clothes of when they're going to drop. It should be about a year from now though, so yeah, it is what it is. I think those are good pickups though. I highly recommend it. The quality and the materials are very soft and very comfortable. Anyway, second item that we have out of here, you guys have seen this one on the channel before in a previous mail time. It's hyped. It's expensive and it's hyped. So now we actually have 2 of the BFF Cause plushes. If you guys didn't see that first mail time video, this is what the plush looks like. It's a pretty like huge plush toy. This one is huge. It does have a whole bunch of confetti and stuff in here too. And those things are actually going for a lot of money on the resale market. Before, at one point, they were going for $1,700, but I think now they're going for about $900. The first one I was able to cop on cause1.com by just going through as fast as I could through checkout. Luckily got through and copped one. The second one I got a lot differently. So Cause not not only has his Cause 1 website, he also has like a partnership, I guess, with this DDT store. I think it's based out of Taiwan. But basically what he did over there was it was a raffle format. So you went in during, I think, a 2-hour period and you put in all your info. And what would happen is if you won, they would charge your account. If you didn't win, they would take back the charge and you don't get anything. But thankfully I got the email saying that I won, so that was the second one, and that's how I got that. These are not open edition Cause. Open edition Cause would be like these figures where they can remake these at any time. I think they actually have remade these like 2 or 3 times now. It's a lot different. This one is a closed set, so there's only 3,000 made, and out of 3,000 I have 2. So that's really lucky and really fortunate. So I'm just gonna hold on to these items for now, and then eventually down the line, like, you can sell them and you'll make a good amount of profit. So that's my plans for that. Got really lucky, and I told you guys, man, you guys gotta follow Cause. There's a whole bunch of resale on there. And just the items are really, really nice. Honestly, like, you guys see it on the backgrounds, I have a whole bunch of Cause figures. Not for resale, just because it's good artwork. This last item that we have here today, this one is from GOAT. It is a pair of sneakers. This is not the shoe that I thought came in. Okay. So I actually have 2 orders coming in from GOAT. And this is the second order that I ordered like 3 days after that first one. I don't know how this is the one that got here first. Anyway, this one is a size 11, huge box. What we did cop was a pair of the PSNY Public School New York Jordan 12. I don't know why, I really like gray tones, so I thought this one was really nice, and the materials are premium. So dead stock pairs of these actually go for like 370 bucks, which is pretty pricey, but because of the materials and stuff, I honestly feel like that's a pretty good area. But for this colorway, 370 bucks, I ended up copying this one for $165 because it is used. But if I didn't tell you guys, would you guys even be able to tell that it's used? Like, it looks brand new. And I talked about this in a previous video that if you guys want to build your sneaker collection, honestly, buying like lightly worn sneakers is not a bad way to build a collection. If I bought this new, that's 370 bucks. Buying it used at 165, I saved 200 bucks. That's an entire another shoe that you could add to your collection with the money that you save from that. I don't know, it's not for everybody, but for me, that's how I did that. That's how I built all of this. That's my philosophy on that. You guys don't need to take it if you don't want to, but I'm always here just trying to provide tips of how I was able to like build up my sneaker collection and just how I'm able to save money. Anyway, that is it for this mail time, guys. We got a whole bunch of Fear of God stuff, a lot of good essential clothing. We got another Cause plush, which is really dope, and we also caught that Jordan 12. You can't go wrong with saving 200 bucks, right? So it was a good mail time, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, then don't forget that like button down below. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel yet, be sure to hit subscribe as well. And if you guys want to join the channel memberships, don't forget to hit join. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you. Aloha. Shoot!